ॐ आनिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। श्लोक नंबर 103, पेज नंबर 97। दुःखराशेर्विचित्रस्य सेयं भ्रान्तिश्चिरन्तनी मूलं संसारवृक्षस्य तद्बाधस्तत्त्वदर्शनात्। दुःखराशेर्विचित्रस्य सेयं भ्रान्तिश्चिरन्तनी मूलं संसारवृक्षस्य तद्बाधस्तत्त्वदर्शनात्। हिंदी संबंध उक्ति। Acharya said, this Atma Anatma Vibhaga, which is Pratyakshadi Praman Vartmani Anupatita, that reading we are going to take, not Anupanipatita, Anupatita. It is arising from avidya and it has fallen in the same category as Pratyakshadi Pramana. Means there is Pramata, Pramana, Prameya, Ityadi. It has avidya as its moolam, not Paramatma. Na Paramatma Vyapashraya. That is what he says in the shloka. Vichitrasya dukkharashe seyam chirantani bhrantihi samsara vrikshasya moolam tadbadas tattva darshanat. Tattva darshanat tadbadah. Tadbadah tasyaha भ्रांतेः बाधः तस्य मूलस्य बाधः. भ्रांति स्त्रीलिंग, मूलम is napunsakalinga, but he has put them together. Vichitra dukkha rashi, the varieties of sorrows that we have in our life, they all are arising from an eternal bhranti. Chirantani. Chirantani, what is the sutra? सायं चिरं प्राह्णे प्रग्रेव्ययेभ्यस्तुट्युलौ तुच्च. तुट्युलौ प्रत्ययौ, tut is agama. So eternal bhranti, and then geet or gish pratyaya for strilinga. Samsara vrikshasya moolam. This bhranti is the moolam. Somebody will ask, you said urdhva moolam adha shakha in 15th chapter. Their moolam is avidya or brahma?
Brahma.
Brahma.
Here samsara vrikshasya moolam is brahma. Here samsara vrikshasya moolam is brahma. Bhranti. So how brahma and brahma both can be interchanged? So paramarthik moolam is brahma, but the parinami moolam is avidya, this bhranti. Okay, and its badha will happen through tattva jnanam, tattva darshanat. Darshanam means jnanam. Tika. fifth line from the bottom. चिरंतनी भ्रांति ही अविद्या सा मूलम अतः एव आश्रयः. चिरंतनी भ्रांति अविद्या is the moolam. So you can see sa moolam. Uddeshya is strilinga. Videya is napumsakalinga. And therefore it is ashraya. Ashraya of this dvaita. तस्याः च अद्वैत साक्षात्कारान् निवृत्तिरित्यर्थः. तस्याः भ्रान्तेः निवृत्तिः अद्वैत साक्षात्कार. So when अद्वैत साक्षात्कार takes place, भ्रांति निवृत्ति will happen. ननु अद्वैत साक्षात्कारस्य अविद्या निवर्तकत्वं क्वापि न दृश्यते. अद्वैत साक्षात्कार is अविद्या निवर्तक. Where have you seen? We have never seen anywhere. पूर्व पक्षी saying. इति शंकित्वा, because you will never have this vyapti anywhere, that Advaita Sakshatkara is removing avidya. So if this shanka is there, adhisthana sakshatkarasya adhyasa badhakasya loke drashtatvad. The vyapti will be what? Adhisthana sakshatkara will do adhyasa badha. Badhakatvam will come where? What will have badhakatvam? This will.
अध्यास
Huh?
अध्यास
संसार विभाग.
Bhranti.
There is something called badhaka. There is something called badhya. Adhisthana sakshatkarasya adhyasa badhakasya. This is the vakya. Now the question is,
अधिष्ठान will have अधिष्ठान साक्षात्कार.
adhisthana will have badhakatvam. Adhisthana will have badhakatvam. This is the answer. Adhisthana means adhisthana jnana you take. Adhisthana jnana will have badhakatvam. What will have badhyatvam?
अध्यास
अध्यास.
Adhyas will have badhyatvam. Between them there is badhya badhaka sambandha. So badhaka jnanam is there. This is proved. Loke drashtatvad. In loka, this vyapti we can get. Atrapi anumeyam ityaha tadbadhas tattva darshanaditi. Here also you can do anumana. Anumeyam. Its badha is through tattva jnanam, tattva darshanat. So here also tattva, which is the adhishthanam, its jnanam will do badha of adhyastha, which is what?
अविद्यक
Huh?
अविद्यक
Adhyastha is samsara or
which is badhya.
Adhya.
badhaka.
You have to listen to my question properly and then answer. Here also I said Tattva Jnanam is the Adhisthana Jnanam. Its Sakshatkara will do Badha of what?
Avidya.
अध्यस्त संसार
You see the shloka. Samsara, yes. Samsar vrukshasya. Samsara is the adhyastha. Second line of the shloka, Uttarardha said, Samsara vrukshasya tadbhadas tattva darshana. Questions when they are, if you have properly understood the words in the sentence, you will know the answer. If you have memorized something from somewhere, memorizing questions are different. Pankti, when you have to understand, you have to give from the words properly. Further, tadbhadas tattva darshanat iti kutah sambhavyate iti ched. How do we say tadbhada is tattva darshanat? The samsara vriksha bhada will be through tattva darshanam iti kutah sambhavyate. How it is possible? Iti ched. Ata aha, Siddhanti will say, आ गोपाल अविपाल पंडितम यमेव प्रसिद्धिः. अगोपाल नहीं, आ गोपाल. So two khandakar you can put there. Starting from Gopala, the cowherds, and Avipala, the shepherds, all the way up to Pandita, they all know this, that adhisthana jnanat adhyastha bhada. This even cowherd boys means when they say Gopala in this Upanishad, Vedanta, Gita Bhashya, etc., they mean most illiterate person. That is where they use Gopala. Gopala means person who don't study anything. All they know is how to count cows. All the way up to Pandita. They all know this. Tirika uta sambhavyata ityadina. Apramotham pramothena jnanam jnanena badhyate ahirajvadivad badho देहाद्यात्ममतेस्तथा. अप्रमोत्थं प्रमोत्थेन ज्ञानं ज्ञानेन बाध्यते अहिरज्वादिवद् बाधो देहाद्यात्ममतेस्तथा. The Anvaya of the Purvardha is very interesting. How will you do Anvaya?
अप्रमोत्थम ज्ञानम प्रमोत्थेन ज्ञानेन बाध्यते.
Up Dvitiya will go together, or Prathama and Tritiya will go together. Apramotham jnanam pramothena jnanena badhyate. Basically, one jnanam will do badha of another. Which jnanam will do badha of which jnanam? That jnanam which is not arising from prama will be negated by that jnanam which is arising from prama. Drishtanta is ahirajvadi vad badho dehadi atmamates tatha. Yatha ahirajvadi badha rajju sarpa. In the same way, dehadi atmamate. Ahi is equivalent to deha. So rajju jnanena sarpa jnana badha. And therefore rajju is doing badha of sarpa. Actually it is jnanam only, but now rajju darshanam is there, therefore sarpa darshanam is not there. In the same way, atma darshanam, if it is there, deha darshanam will not be there. Or dvaita darshanam will not be there. When advaita darshanam takes place, dvaita darshanam will not have satyatvam. Mithya jnana samyak jnana yor badhya badhakatvavat mithya jnana pratipanna samyak jnana pratipanna yor api ahirajvor बाध्य बाधक भावः संप्रतिपन्न इत्याह. Between मिथ्या ज्ञान and सम्यक ज्ञान, मिथ्या ज्ञान सम्यक ज्ञान योहो बाध्य बाधकत्ववत्. How they have बाध्य बाधकत्वम? In the same way. मिथ्या ज्ञान प्रतिपन्न. So बाध्य बाधक is there. बाधक is what?
Samyak jnana.
Samyak.
सम्यक. मिथ्या ज्ञान is बाध्य. मिथ्या ज्ञान प्रतिपन्न सम्यक ज्ञान प्रतिपन्न योहो. मिथ्या ज्ञान प्रतिपत्ति सम्यक ज्ञान प्रतिपत्ति विषय is ahi and rajju. मिथ्या ज्ञान प्रतिपन्न is ahi, सर्प. सम्यक ज्ञान प्रतिपन्न is रज्जु. अहि रज्जुओर बाध्य बाधक भाव संप्रतिपन्न. संप्रतिपन्न is उभय मत सिद्ध. Both of us we agree on this. इत्याह अहि रज्ज्वादिवत्. This is दृष्टांत. दार्ष्टान्तिकमाह देहादि आत्मा इति. देहादि आत्मज्ञान योहो स्थूल सूक्ष्म कारण शरीर and atma, between their jnanam, atmajnanam will be the badhaka of dehadi jnana. Atma in the same way, deha atmanoscha badhya badhaka bhava. Atma will do badha of deha. You have to understand it properly. But if atma could do badha of deha, why do you need atma jnanam?
Atma Jnanam alone could do badha.
What is my question? If Atma could do badha of Deha, what is the use of Atma Jnana? There is no purpose. Means Atma will not do badha directly of Deha. When Atma Jnanam is there, I don't see Deha, I see Atma. I don't see Dvaitam, I understand Advaitam. This is the importance. संभवति इत्यर्थः. ननु तत्वदर्शनात् इति उक्तत्वात् प्रमाण जनित प्राकट्य विषयत्वम् आत्मनो अभ्युपगतम् ततः स्वतः सिद्धत्व हानिः इत्याशंक्याः. You said तत्वदर्शनात्. तद्बाधस् तत्वदर्शनात्. So I need jnanam of Atma. Then darshanam requires pramana. So pramana janita prakatya will be of Atma. Atma will be revealed only when there is pramana. Pramana janita prakatyam will come in Atma. Atma will be pramana janita prakatya vishaya. Atma will have pramana janita prakatya vishayatvam. Abhyugatam. This is accepted. If we accept this, then there is a problem. Swatah tataha, then swatah siddhatva hanihi. Swatah siddha is what?
Atma.
Atma. So then swatah siddha Atma and pramana janita prakatya vishaya, there is a contradiction between them. If it is self-illumining, then why do I need pramana to reveal Atma? Atma should reveal itself. This is the apatti moolam. Laukika prameya vailakshanyat atmano nehanadhigata dhigamaha pramana phalam. Atma is laukika prameya vilakshana. Atmano laukika prameya vailakshanyat. Atma is different from laukika prameya. Laukika prameya means ghata pata ityadi. Na iha anadhigata adhigamaha. Na iha anadhigata adhigamaha. pramana phalam. Atma is not anadhigata whose adhigama. It is not ajnata which will become jnata. What is the pramana lakshanam?
अज्ञात ज्ञापकम प्रमाण.
Ajnata jnapakam. In Vedanta paribhasha, what is prama?
अबाधित अनधिगत स्मृति विलक्षणम्.
Somebody said
Abhaditam, anadigatam, and smriti vilakshana.
Jnana Vishayatvam.
jnana vishayatvam. Abhadita, anadhigata, jnana vishayatvam. This much also if you say, that is enough. Why? Anadhigata shabda is there for what? If we don't give anadhigata, then
Becomes Smriti Rupa.
What did you say? Smriti?
It becomes, it can be Smriti also.
There is ati vyapti in smriti. Padakritya, this is how we do. Those who have forgotten how to do padakritya, they should remember. Ati vyapti dosha is there, avyapti is there. All these words, even if they are not used in every session, you have to use them. So there will be ati vyapti in smriti, because smriti is adhigatasya adhigama or anadhigatasya adhigama.
Adhigatasya.
Adhigatasya.
Adhigatasya adhigama.
Adhigatasya adhigama.
If you say Atma is also adhigatasya adhigama, Atma is also known, it is not anadhigatasya adhigama, it is adhigatasya adhigama, then what is the difference between Atma and Smriti?
Abadhita and Badhita. Atma would be Abadhita.
Atma is Traikalika Abhadita. Smriti will become Badhita. This is the Bheda. This is the Pramana Phalam. ननु तत्वदर्शनात् इति उक्तत्वात् प्रमाणजनित प्राकट्य विषयत्वम् आत्मनो अभ्युपगतम् ततः स्वतः सिद्धत्व हानिः इत्याशंक्य आह. So पूर्व पक्ष this we saw लौकिक इति अविद्यानाशमात्रन्तु फलमित्युपचर्यते नाज्ञातज्ञापनं न्याय्यम् अवगत्येकरूपतः. अविद्यानाशमात्रन्तु फलमित्युपचर्यते नाज्ञातज्ञापनं न्याय्यम् अवगत्येकरूपतः. अविद्या नाशमात्रम तु फलम इति उपचर्यते. In case of Atmajnanam, avidya nashamatram is the phalam. Atma is self-luminous. So for revealing Atma, you don't need anything. Only Atma Vishayaka avidya nasha is the phalam. Na ajnata jnapanam. Ajnatasya jnapanam is not the phalam. Ajnata jnapanam na nyayam. Here, that is not how it is. Why? Avagati ekarupataha. Atma jnanam is always the same. There was no time when Atma was not known. Or before Brahmakar Vritti and after Brahmakar Vritti, there is no change in Atma. Like Ghata will have Ajnana avarana, before that we say Ghata is Ajnata. After Ajnana avarana nivritti, we say Ghata is Jnata. But that Bheda is not there in case of Atma. It is same. टीका लौकिकस्य प्रमेयस्य यथा अनधिगत अधिगतिः प्रमेय परिच्छित्तिः फलं भवति नैवम् आत्मनः प्रकाशस्वरूपत्वात् तस्मात् अध्यस्थ अज्ञान व्यावृत्तिरेव तस्य फलम् इत्यर्थः। लौकिकस्य प्रमेयस्य, लौकिक प्रमेय यथा अनधिगत अधिगतिः, Laukika Prameya is not known at one time, then there is knowledge of that. Prameya Parichittihi Phalam. It becomes Prameya, Parichitti means Jnanam. Prameya Jnanam is the Phalam Bhavati. Naiva Atmanaha. Atma doesn't have knowledge in this way. Prakasha Swarupatvat, because Atma is Prakasha Swarupa. Tasmat अध्यस्त अज्ञान व्यावृत्ति रेव तस्य फलम. Therefore, अध्यस्त अज्ञान व्यावृत्ति alone is its phalam. Ajnanam is adhyasta or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
Ajnanasya adhyasasya karanam.
My question is, Ajnanam is adhyasta or not?
Sometimes Ajnana is also called as adhyasa. So a question.
How many people agree Ajnanam is adhyastam? Raise your hand. How many people have raised hands? I don't know. Oh, so many. Okay. This is correct answer. Ajnanam is adhyastam. Because whatever is adhyastam is anirvachaniya. And its bada will happen through jnana. So everything which is eliminated by jnanam has to be adhyastam only. So therefore he says here, see, tasmad adhyasta ajnana vyavrittireva tasya phalam. Ajnanam, which is adhyastam, its vyavritti is the phalam of atma jnanam. Yasmad atma anavabodha matra upadanaha pramatradayas tasmat. टीका आत्म व्यतिरिक्तस्य आत्मवेद्यत्वादपि न तदधीन अधिगम आत्मा इत्याह. आत्म व्यतिरिक्तस्य आत्मवेद्यत्व, anything atma व्यतिरिक्त is anatma. Anatma is atmavedya. Anatma will be known through atma. But atma is not known through anatma. Na tad adhina adhigama atma. Tad adhina adhigamaha. How will you do Bahuri Samas Vigraha? Tad adhina adhigamo yasya atmanaha sa atma tad adhina adhigamaha. Is a Bahuri Samasa. Adhigama, don't think adhigama means knowledge here. Tad adhina adhigama is referring to atma. So all anatma, like pramatradi, atma anavabodha matra upadana. Yes, some question is there. Atma anavabodha matra upadanam yesham te आत्मानवबोध मात्रोपादानाः प्रमात्रादयः. Atma Jnanam alone is their upadana karanam of the pramata pramana prameya. न विदन्त्यात्मनः सत्तां द्रष्टृदर्शन गोचराः न चान्योन्यमतो मीशां ज्ञेयत्वं भिन्न साधनम्. न विदन्त्यात्मनः सत्तां द्रष्टृदर्शन गोचराः न चान्योन्यमतो मीशां ज्ञेयत्वं भिन्न साधनम्. द्रष्टृदर्शन गोचराः means pramata, prameya and pramana. Atmanah sattam na vidanti, na jananti. They don't know the existence of Atma. Nacha anyonyam, and they also do not know each other. Pramata cannot know prameya by itself. It needs Atma. Therefore, amisham jneyatvam bhinna sadhanam. So, their bhinna sadhanam jneyatvam. That anvaya amisham jneyatvam bhinna sadhanam. Bhinna sadhanena. Their jneyatvam depends upon Atma. They cannot know themselves, they cannot know each other. Tika. Drashtru darshana gochara. Drashta means pramata. Darshanam, in karana, if you do lyut pratyaya, it will become pramanam. In bhava, if you do lyut pratyaya, it will become jnanam, pramiti. And gochara means prameya. Pramata, pramana, pramiti and prameya. Te tavat swatmanam swayameva na jananti. Jadatvat. They don't know themselves because they are jada. Napi anyonyam. They do not know each other also. Therefore, ataha tesham swavyatirikta atmavedyatvam eva. So therefore, they all are known only by Atma, which is different from Pramata, Pramana, Prameya. This is the point. Atma is different from Pramata, Pramana, Prameya. Atma is also not Prameya. Atma is always known. Only Atma Vishayaka Ajnana Nivrutti happens through Vedanta Pramana. Tasmad na tad adhina adhigatihi Atma. Tad adhina adhigatihi. What is the meaning of that word? Tad adhina adhigatihi.
Pramana adhina na adhigati.
Pramana adhina
Na adhigati.
Why? Where is na? There is only one. Tad adhina.
Prama adhigati.
The na is before. Na tad adhina adhigati.
Na tad, leave that na. Na tad adhina adhigati. Tad adhina adhigati. What is the meaning of tad adhina adhigati? Tad
Atma,
adhina adhigati is Atma.
Atma.
Atma is
Not known through Pramana.
not known through Pramata, Pramana. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।